Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're stepping into a world of softness, charm, and pure cuteness as we explore a beautiful collection of crochet baby dresses. If you love handmade fashion or you're looking for adorable outfit ideas for little ones, then you're in the right place. There's something truly special about crochet. Every stitch is carefully crafted. Every pattern tells a story. And when it comes to baby dresses, the result is simply magical. These dresses are not just outfits, they're little pieces of art made with love. As you watch, you'll notice a variety of designs, each one unique in its own way. From simple and elegant styles to more detailed and intricate patterns, crochet baby dresses offer endless possibilities. Some feature delicate floral patterns, while others have playful textures and charming details that make them stand out. One of the most beautiful things about crochet baby dresses is the comfort they provide. Made from soft yarns, these dresses are gentle on a baby's skin, making them perfect for everyday wear or special occasions. Whether it's a birthday, a family gathering, or just a casual day out, there's always a perfect crochet dress for the moment. Take a closer look at the colors as they appear on your screen. You'll see soft pastels, bright cheerful tones, and classic neutral shades. Each color choice adds its own personality to the dress. Some feel calm and soothing, while others are vibrant and full of life. You'll also notice the creativity in the designs. From sleeveless summer dresses to cozy styles with a bit more coverage, each piece is thoughtfully made to suit different seasons and occasions. Some dresses are paired with matching accessories like headbands or booties, adding an extra touch of cuteness. As the collection continues, pay attention to the small details, the patterns, the stitching, the finishing touches. These are the elements that make crochet dresses truly special. It's this attention to detail that turns a simple dress into something memorable. If you're someone who enjoys crochet, this collection might even inspire your next project. And if you're simply here to admire, then just sit back and enjoy the beauty of these handmade creations. Crochet baby dresses are more than just clothing. They represent warmth, care, and creativity. They remind us of the beauty of handmade items in a world full of mass production. I hope you're enjoying this collection as much as I am. Let me know which design is your favorite. And don't forget to share this with someone who loves adorable baby fashion. Keep watching for more stunning designs and get ready to fall in love with every single piece. Thank you so much for being here.